What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Fallen Tide TV. As always, my name's Nate, and on today's video, I'm obviously on another duck hunt, and I'm with my buddy Nathan Baudoin here. Say hey, Nathan. Squat down, because they can't see you up there.
Hey, what's up? I'm closing down our doors over here.
He's actually a YouTuber as well. His channel is called Golf Outdoors. We hunted together. Yeah, we hunted together since we've had the channel. That's right. So we had done a video a couple of years ago together. We killed some stud drake canvasbacks, killed a mallard and stuff like that. I don't know if y'all remember that video, but yeah, me and Nathan been knowing each other for a long time, and we've hunted together before. Hey, he got a really good setup over here where he's hunting at. I mean, this blind here, y'all will see it once the sun comes up. This is a nice setup. It really is. I'm impressed. And they've been a lot of birds out here. They've been killing them pretty steady. So hopefully we have a good shoot today. And if we do, you guys will see it. That's the ibis, huh? That's two teal right there.
I wonder if we get the battery. The battery is dying.
I got one. That drake was really close when I shot at it. I'm shooting a full choke, dude.
You shot the drake?
I shot the hen right there. But I tried to shoot the drake.
Up the barrel right here. Got him?
Yep. Still alive. Not no more. All right, let's make a swap, dude. You get on point. Yeah, I'm gonna put my gun up in the rack here, and I'm gonna pick up the camera. Feel free.
Two wood ducks, but
That's a drake on the left.
yeah, no, it's just too hard to see. They coming around. No.
They gone.
Yeah, they like chill. When I tell you, right there.
Oh, look. Ringnecks.
Yeah.
Something. Some kind of divers.
Yeah, it's them Dogre.
I don't take it you shooting that. I don't take it you shooting that. Unless you got to, huh?
Beggars can't be choosers, huh, boy? But, I mean, we got opportunity still early.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, that's some more right there. You get good footage. It's crazy, man. We never get divers. I told you that last podcast. We never get divers.
I got divers now.
I know. Oh, yep. Oh, damn.
What happened?
Oh.
Didn't have your safety off or something?
Yep.
They circling back.
Beginners.
Come over here, look.
Yeah.
Good shot.
I didn't even put my GoPro on.
Good shot. Hold on. I'm trying to find him in here. Where's he at?
He's in that bush. Let me just hit him. It's a pretty drake.
Yeah, go ahead, hit it.
He's dead. See him?
Well, I saw where you shot, but I was a little bit too far to the left.
We got one tail right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see him. I see another tail. So these are your two.
Yeah.
If it's banded, it's mine though.
This guy. Beautiful.
Head up though.
Go.
He ain't a mounter.
There's my two teal. Blue wing and a green wing.
Hurry up. Got it?
Yep. You got it.
Only 2 shells.
You got it.
He's dead?
I think he's going down, dude. Yep, he's going. Good job, buddy.
2 Drake wood ducks. Oh, that's Drake.
Let's shoot the one all the way to the right. I gave him a chance on the second one, but the eagles around here are ridiculous, y'all. The bald eagles, they will take your ducks from you so fast.
Go and get a duck before the tax man?
Yeah, dude. The tax man, you know, that would be our nation's bird. Nathan's. You ain't that lucky. That's yours. That's mine. I don't know which one. Yeah, I know. They both about the same. Beautiful ducks. All right, this one's yours, Nate. That's yours.
Still warm.
Yep. You can put this one by my pile.
Shoot him. Here you go. Nope.
He's still kicking. I'm waiting to see if that hen will circle back. He should die. Yeah, he's good.
Quick.
Them things came in out of nowhere. Just. Yep. Yeah, I almost shot the hen, and I was like, "Wait, what am I doing?" Yeah.
Pretty.
I just need 2 more.
Alright. You only can shoot 1 more wood duck though.
Yeah, I know. I can only shoot 1 more wood duck, but I can shoot 2 more ducks. She's coming back looking for her mate. She's looking for me. Where she went? I don't know where she went, dude. She fell right behind that tree back there. Dang, man, I thought you had water back there. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, man, I thought that was water back there, bro. I was about to pass you the gun to finish her.
I don't know.
Well, leave her sit. Leave her sit for a minute. She might die. That was the mate.
I didn't even hear
That was the mate of that
Where'd
one.
it go down?
It went down. It hit the ground right over there. I thought you had water back there, though, dude. I really didn't pay much attention to back there like the whole morning, but I could have swore that was water.
I wonder if I got it.
Can't shoot him back there. Wait for him, wait for him. Oh, bro, they gonna go that way? I know, I was like, I didn't know what we were doing at first. That was my last duck run. I should have just shot. I thought they were about to sit, man. God dang. Should have shot. Oh, there's my ride right there.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be one duck short of a limit. They got a down hen wood duck.
Where?
Straight over here. Then I should, yeah, kind of like right back there.
Yeah. Is it folded?
I don't know. I don't think so. She
It'll
kind
look, but it's gonna be hard to find it. No.
Beautiful. She's somewhere right back here. Yep, got her, dead. Yeah, buddy. She was back there dead, bro. Wood ducks, yeah. All right, y'all, so this is what we ended up with for the day here. We got 4 Drake wood ducks, 2 hen wood ducks, and a couple of tealy birds. Wasn't a bad day. Good day to get out here and hunt with my buddy Nate there, and he got a couple other guys here too. What's your name? Yeah. Gavin and Gavin. Wait, what?
Gavin.
I'm so confused now, dude. Your name's Gavin?
Gavin.
But Gavin. Dang, I didn't know that. I thought it was Gavin the whole time.
I thought it was Gavin my whole life. I don't ever correct no.
Oh God. Anyways, I'm like, what?
That's why I didn't try to correct you. He did.
Yeah.
No, it's not that bad.
But yeah, I got to go home a little bit early. These guys are gonna stay out here. I don't want to hold them up too much longer. I got to get back to the launch. I got to get home because I got to watch the baby the rest of the day. My wife goes to work about 12:30. So yeah, guys, I'm about to wrap it up. I really appreciate you guys for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time on Falling Tide TV.